Hi kindergartners! Welcome back to math class. Today we are going to start by counting on our number line at the number 14, and we are going to get to the number 19. Think about which way our frog is going to hop. Is our frog hopping forwards or backwards? Friends, we are going to practice our counting on this number line. This is the number line that we have been using most of the time we've been doing our counting. We can see it starts at 0, it ends at 20, and there's an arrow on both sides to show us that the numbers keep going in both directions. Our first counting job, we already saw, we're going to start at 14 and count to 19. Think about which way do you think our frog is counting? Is our frog counting forwards or backwards? If you said forwards, good job. Yeah, 14 is smaller than 19, so our frog is going to count forwards. We have him starting on 14, and we put our red marker to remind ourselves that he's going to stop at 19. Let's watch him hop. Let's go. He started at 14 and got to 19. How many hops did our frog make? Did you say 5? Me too. Nice job. I counted every hop our frog made, starting at 14 and getting to 19. Now I want to think about my number sentence. Well, I started at 14. He made 5 hops, and I ended at 19. Now in the middle we have this question mark. Is it 14 plus 5 or 14 minus 5? Remember, 14 is our smaller number. 19 is the bigger number. If you said 14 plus 5, you are correct. Absolutely. When we start with the smaller number and get to the bigger number, we are adding. Read this number sentence. Get ready. Yes, 14 plus 5 equals 19. Nice job, kindergartners. Now let's see what our other jumps are going to be. All right, this time we are going to start at the number 15, and we are going to get to the number 12. Once again, think about which way our frog is going to hop. Is he hopping forwards or backwards? All right, so this time we are going to start at 15 and get to 12. Once again, I want you to think, is our frog hopping forward or backward on our number line? 15 to 12. If you said backwards, you are correct. Yeah, 15 is bigger than 12, so our frog has to hop backwards. You see, we have him started on the 15, and we have our red marker to remind ourselves he's going to stop at 12. Let's watch him hop. Looks like he's not going to have many hops. Let's see if we're right. Friends, how many hops did he make? Yeah, he only made 3 hops. He wasn't going a long way. 15 to 12, he made 3 hops. Now I know most of my number sentence, I started at 15, I made 3 hops, I got to 12. Now the question is this a plus or a minus? We started with the bigger number, we ended at the smaller number. If you said minus, you are correct. Absolutely. 15 minus 3, he hopped backwards 3 times, equals 12. Your turn to read the number sentence. Get ready. Yeah, 15 minus 3 equals 12. Nice work, kindergartners. Here are the 3 things we are going to be working on today. You might do it on the computer, you might do it on paper. Either way is fine by me as long as you show me your work. So the first one we're doing is how many grapes? And the problem says, Mia bought grapes for snack. She had 5 grapes. Then she ate one of the grapes. How many grapes did Mia have left? She brought grapes for a snack. She had 5 grapes. Now I'm going to start this problem for you because I want to remind you there's lots of ways you can show this. You can use counters. 5 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use cubes. I'm going to use blue cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just draw a picture. Let's do mine in purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter how you show your work, but I need you to show me your work. I just started it with 5. And then you need to finish and write a number sentence. The next thing you're going to do is actually a worksheet about a game we've already done. Double compare. It says circle the pair of cards in each row that has more. So we can see each row. Now, again, you can circle using your pen, just like they did right here. Or if you want to use a shape, you can pick a circle and put it over the answer that you want to use. Remember, if you don't want it, put the garbage can. Now, here's what I want you to do. Either with your typing or with your number, I want you to put the number next to it. So 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3. I can count the pictures if I'm not sure. And I'm going to put that, I'm going to change it to green so you can see. I'm going to change it to green. And I'm going to put that 3 right here so I remember. I want to make it nice and big. Once again, if I just highlight it, I can make it nice and big. Okay, so now I remember that one is 3. Now let me think about this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm going to change it to green again. I'm going to make it big, and I'm going to put a 5 right here. Now we can see this one is already circled, but now, if I wasn't sure, which one has more? Well, 3 and 5, I know that 5 is bigger than 3, so I can come back and circle my 5. You're going to do the same thing for these other 3 problems. Now, the last assignment that you have is going to give you some reading, something for you to work on first. Remember, if you press the sound button, it will read it to you. Let's try. Ready?
Corey was looking for books in the library.
And I can press it to turn it off. So I'm going to work on the first part. Then I'm going to work on the next part. I can listen to it and it'll give me ideas. And this last part, again, it's going to say drag numbers to finish the problem. So I can pick whichever numbers I want. There were 5 kids on the playground. Some kids went home. This is a blue line, so I'm going to pick from the blue box. I can pick whatever number I want. And then how many kids were left? Now let's listen.
Try it. Drag numbers to finish the problem. Solve your problem. There were kids on the playground.
So you're going to have to follow along because you see it's not going to read my number. So mine says there were 5 kids on the playground. 3 kids went home. How many kids were left on the playground? Once I put my numbers in, again, I can pick something to show my work, 5 kids on the playground, 4, 5. 3 went home. Well, you can cross out or show that 3 went home, and then write your number sentence to show your work. Remember, when your work is all done, you'll see a little check mark right here. Press that check and click Turn It In to send your work to your teachers.